Hi everyone and welcome back. This is not a review video but to share about not so pleasant news about the CPU cooler and power supply prices going up. Yes, I heard of this since last week as I talked to one of my distributor contacts and they were sharing the prices of these components are going up because the copper price is going up. Well, and it's not surprising though because there's memory shortage, there's a graphics card shortage, and these are components that are used. These are materials that are used in the high demand PC components. And guess what? CPU cooler, your contact point is of copper. Copper absorbs heat well and it transfers the heat to the heat sink fins for heat dissipation, which is this using aluminum. So CPU cooler, copper a lot. And then I'm not an engineer to know much detail about power supply, but sure enough there definitely is copper component inside. After all, there's the weight over there when you carry a quality power supply like this one from First Player. So what we have is a situation where the prices going up, and from what I saw 6 to 8%. Let's go for a conservative 10%. So if your components you spend a high-end one at say 1,500, then at 10% is 1,650. So whether or not you're going that high end, it can be because power supplies and let's say a 360mm AIO, a good one, they could total up to that price range. So if you are looking to buy a PC, really, I have suggestion for you for two options. One, be happy with what you have. Two, upgrade now, or maybe hold it for a month or two and upgrade everything, sell off your old one, whichever your priority is. I mean, if it's still satisfactory, maybe just hold on to it, or if it's really not to your satisfaction, yes, consider the upgrade because it's bad enough that the memory price is going up. Graphics card may have shortage, which may lead to price issue, and now with critical components such as CPU cooler and power supply having price going up, you wouldn't want to skimp on a power supply. CPU cooler, generate gaming purpose, so I'm not saying that you need to get the best of the best with honors sir kind of CPU cooler, but for power supply, do not skimp, get a good one like this one, the First Player NGTP. So basically that's it for this video. Sorry to be the harbinger of unpleasant news, but the market condition is not as rosy as it seems right now. And to sum it up, if you want to upgrade, do consider all these things. If you can reuse, best you can reuse. For my side, I thank God that I'm pretty much settled for everything: CPU, motherboard, memory, graphics card, especially CPU tower coolers. I have so many of them. I still have a bunch of AIO and I have a number of power supplies, so I'm pretty much set for the years to come. And speaking of years to come, I saw another news saying that the DDR market condition may last until 2031. Now I really do not hope it's going to be that long, maybe next year or two, but to reach until 2031, that's quite a stretch, and hopefully none of my memories keep on dying out. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.